This is the sound of 761 horsepower in the Porsche of the future. A near-silent beast that doesn't hold back. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds, without using a single drop of gasoline. It's the pinnacle of power and precision, redefining what we expect from an electric sports car. The name Taycan, symbolizing the spirited soul of a young horse, reflects Porsche's ambition to set new standards in the world of electromobility. This vehicle is not just an electric car, it's a revolution in automotive engineering, combining Porsche's rich heritage with cutting-edge technology. Production starts in the body construction department, where the car's frame is crafted from a hybrid of ultra-high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum. Each part is laser-cut and welded by a symphony of robots, creating the basic structure of the Taycan. This frame, known as the body shell, provides the backbone of the vehicle, ensuring both rigidity and lightweight performance. The process begins with a bare metal frame, which moves through a series of automated stations where side panels and structural reinforcements are added. The robots apply bonding adhesives and precision welds at specific intervals to maximize strength. As the frame moves along the line, a robot arm delicately places each section, ensuring perfect alignment. This stage alone involves over 6,000 weld points and numerous rivets. The doors are added by an engineer. Another engineer then checks panel gap widths with a gauge. A final metal polish is carried out by hand before the car moves to the paint shop. Next, the body shell enters the painting process. First, it's submerged in a cathodic dip bath, where electrically charged paint particles adhere to the metal, creating a uniform base layer that prevents corrosion. Before the next layer of paint is applied, a fleet of specialized robots meticulously plugs any holes in the car's body using rubber stoppers and caps. This step ensures that paint does not enter sensitive areas like screw threads, drainage channels, or interior cavities, which could compromise the vehicle's functionality. A worker then checks that the rubber stoppers are correctly installed. Before the base coat is applied, another set of robots equipped with fine polishing tools buff the entire surface of the car. These robots detect and smooth out any minor imperfections, ensuring the body is perfectly smooth and ready for the next stage. This meticulous buffing process guarantees that the base coat adheres uniformly, resulting in a flawless finish. After this, the car moves through a series of spraying booths where robots apply the base color and several layers of clear coat. Each coat is meticulously applied and baked, creating a flawless, glass-like finish. After the paint application, human workers take over to ensure every inch of the car's paint job is flawless. Under specialized lighting that highlights even the smallest imperfections, they inspect the surface meticulously. Any tiny blemishes or inconsistencies are marked and corrected by hand, ensuring that the paint is immaculate before the car moves to the next stage of production. This human touch guarantees that every Taycan meets Porsche's rigorous quality standards for visual perfection. The production of the Porsche Taycan's electric engine is a meticulous process that combines advanced technology with precision engineering. At the heart of the Taycan's motor lies the innovative hairpin winding mechanism, which plays a crucial role in delivering the car's impressive performance. The hairpin winding process utilizes rectangular copper wires, in contrast to the traditional round ones, to maximize efficiency and power output. These copper wires are bent into a U-shape, resembling hairpins, and are then carefully inserted into the stator's laminated core. The open ends of these hairpins are welded together using a high-precision laser beam. This technique allows for a higher copper density within the stator, significantly boosting power output and torque. During the stator assembly, the hairpin windings are meticulously inserted into the stator core. This process requires precise alignment and spacing to ensure optimal performance. Once the windings are in place, the ends of the hairpins are welded together, forming robust coils that are essential for the motor's operation. The rotor, another critical component, is built using high-quality permanent magnets made from neodymium iron-boron alloys. These magnets are magnetized during the manufacturing process and are positioned precisely within the rotor structure. This careful placement is vital for achieving the desired magnetic field strength and motor efficiency. The final stages of the electric motor assembly involve integrating the stator and rotor components. The motor is equipped with a resolver, a sensor that accurately detects the rotor's position, ensuring precise control of the motor's performance. The motor is then connected to a pulse-controlled inverter, which manages the flow of electrical energy to the motor. Unique to the Taycan is its two-speed transmission system on the rear axle. This system features a planetary gear set for the first gear, which provides exceptional acceleration, and a longer ratio second gear for improved efficiency at high speeds. The transmission is seamlessly integrated with the electric motor, enhancing the vehicle's performance across a range of driving conditions. Each motor undergoes rigorous quality control checks to ensure it meets Porsche's exacting standards. This thorough process results in electric motors with exceptional power density, enabling the Taycan to deliver the high-performance driving experience that Porsche is renowned for, while embracing the future of electric mobility.
schön 2 Minuten Pause, dann werden wir uns wieder schön haben.
With the major components in place, the Taycan moves to the final assembly stage. At this stage, the car also receives its glass components, including the panoramic roof and windows. These are installed using a robotic arm that applies a precise bead of adhesive around the edges before placing the glass in position. Here, a team of skilled workers installs the interior components, starting with the dashboard, seats, and trim pieces. Each part is custom fit to the specific requirements of the customer. For example, if the customer has chosen a vegan interior, the seats and panels will be upholstered in a high-quality synthetic material rather than leather. In a separate stage of the assembly process, the front and rear axles, each with their own powertrains attached, are prepared for integration with the vehicle. These assemblies are mounted onto a specialized jig that precisely aligns them with the large battery pack, which is positioned in the floor of the vehicle. The jig holds the axles in place, allowing the technicians to connect the high-voltage cables and coolant lines with absolute precision. This process is crucial because the alignment must be perfect to ensure efficient power delivery and thermal management. Once the connections are secured, the jig is removed and the axles are bolted to the chassis. The front and rear powertrains, now firmly attached to the battery pack, form the core of the Taycan's all-wheel drive system. This configuration provides the Taycan with its remarkable acceleration, handling, and stability. Each assembly undergoes a series of tests to verify the integrity of the connections and the performance of the integrated system. Only after these checks are completed is the powertrain considered ready for installation into the vehicle. This meticulous manufacturing process results in electric motors with exceptional power density, enabling the Taycan to deliver the high-performance driving experience that Porsche is renowned for while embracing the future of electric mobility. Once the wiring is complete, it's time for the marriage, the point where the body meets the powertrain. The powertrain, which consists of the front and rear electric motors and the battery pack, is assembled on a separate line. The 650 kilogram battery is made up of 396 individual lithium-ion cells, housed in an aluminum frame that also serves as a structural component. It's precisely positioned under the car using a high-tech crane system, ensuring a perfect fit. The marriage process is highly automated. The body is lowered onto the powertrain, and over 50 bolts are automatically tightened in a precise sequence. This operation, which takes just 3 minutes, is monitored by laser-guided systems that ensure every component is aligned to within a fraction of a millimeter. After the marriage, the car now has its heart, its power source firmly connected to its frame. Once the wiring is complete, it's time for the marriage, the point where the body meets the powertrain. The 650-kilogram battery is made up of 396 individual lithium-ion cells, housed in an aluminum frame that also serves as a structural component. It's precisely positioned under the car using a high-tech crane system, ensuring a perfect fit. The marriage process is highly automated. The body is lowered onto the powertrain, and over 50 bolts are automatically tightened in a precise sequence. This operation, which takes just 3 minutes, is monitored by laser-guided systems that ensure every component is aligned to within a fraction of a millimeter. After the marriage, the car now has its heart, its power source firmly connected to its frame. Next, the car's exterior panels, such as the doors, hood, and trunk, are installed. These are delivered just in time from a separate area of the factory. The assembly workers carefully align each panel to ensure perfect gaps and flush surfaces, using laser-guided tools to measure the fitment down to the last millimeter. Each door is pre-assembled with its own wiring and insulation, making it ready to be connected to the car's systems. The last step in the Taycan's assembly process is the installation of its high-performance tires. The vehicle is lifted, and technicians carefully mount the specially designed tires onto lightweight alloy wheels. Using a precision torque wrench, they secure each wheel to the hub with exact force to ensure optimal performance and safety. The Taycan is not just a new chapter in Porsche's history, it's a bold leap into the future of automotive performance. Combining the company's legendary craftsmanship with the most advanced technology available, it's designed to redefine what a sports car can be in the electric age. That wraps up our deep dive into the making of the Porsche Taycan. If you enjoyed watching the intricate processes that go into creating this incredible vehicle, you're going to love what we have in store here on How It's Manufactured. We bring you behind the scenes of the world's most fascinating products, exploring everything from luxury cars to cutting-edge technology and everyday items. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. And if you have any thoughts or questions, make sure to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.